Harrington. Barely Jordan Davies. Cael ei figilio gan Mooney, cael ei groesio i fewn ar arbediad gan y golwr Lewis Webb o fewn yr 30 eiliad cynta. Mae yna 3 munud ar y cloc. Disney chwipio'r geg gornel i fewn at y postyn gosa. Mi oedd Jack Kenny yn ei chanol i, mi oedd Nash yna hefyd. Dihangfa arall i Caernarfon. Morgan Owen. Tafliad i'r na wthiad yn y cwrt y fanna. Diolch yn goniad o gwbl achos mae Adam Davies yna. Ac yn rhoi Caernarfon ar y blaen. 1 munud ar 20 o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Adam Davies. Braclin i gosod i Josh Williams. Bron a bod yn beniad rydd i Mai Cwail am unwaith. Nath o ddim amser i honna'n iawn. Harrington yn ôl i fewn i'r canol. Arbediad. Mam bach i. Am arbediad gan Lewis Webb. Bradley trio am ddiffynwyr Cei Connah. Mae Bradley heibio'r cwbl out yn nhw. Bradley ar ergyd. Mae yna i Adam Davies. Davies yn ei gosod ti Louis Lloyd. Oedd hi ar y trawst. Ac yn ôl i Adam Davies. Wel am ddihangfa. Goset yn ôl at Bradley. Sgiliau agos na sgyn Sean Bradley. Drychwch ar y chwaraewyr Cei Connah sydd yna. Beli bydd nhw gyd. Disgyn i Adam Davies. Y gwiriad ar arbediad. Mae yna nhw'n eto. Arbediad. Gwych gan y golwr. Sut ar wyneb y ddeiar nad ydi Caernarfon. 2 os na 2 ar y blaen. Dyma Jordan Davies. Mae di mynd heibio i Joe Ford yn ei hun ôl. Mae nhw'n awlio bod yna lawio. Callum Morris ar ergyd. Oedd hwnna'n lawio i beidio. Dyma Jordan Davies. Di ffeirio yr ystlys ar y chwith Davies. Mae yna ddigwyddiad yn fan hyn yn y cwrt. Mae Phil Mooney lawr. A mae yna gerdyn coch yn fan hyn i Mai Cwail am daflud y Benelin at Phil Mooney. Cerdyn coch union gyrchol i Mai Cwail. Bracley. Gwaith da gan Phil Mooney. Mon gymelled a Harrington y bel i fewn i'r cwrt. Fydd y gyfle fan hyn. Jordan Davies. Bawb o'r prif sgoriwr. Wel, mi oedd y gol yn agored iddo fo'n doedd. Gwaith da gan Josh Williams. Ma'n bach sut ar wyneb y ddaear metho nhw hwnna. Luca Hogan. Griffith i fewn amdani. Yr ergyd i gefn yr oed! A maen nhw'n gyfartal! Chwip o ergyd! Ryan Harrington! Mi gafodd o lawer gormod o len yn yna Harrington. Webb. Defnyddio i ben yn llythrenol. Harrington eisiau wedi sgyrru Ryan Harrington. Mor agos Ryan Harrington.
Oedden ni weld fwy yn control pa mewn 11 mae'n rhyfedd sy'n mynd yn digwydd. Eto mae'n just weithiau chi'n gorfod bod yn bref a mynd amdani. A dwi'n meddwl nathon ni just trio gwarchod be gynna ni yn lle wrach trio mynd amdan yr ail yna. Ond eto, allan bod rhy negatif yn mogia. Mae'n di roi bob dim yn fanna ni a mae yn pwynt yn lle wrach geith lot o dim eraill ddim pwynt.
I think obviously a game of two halves really. I don't think we were at the races certainly in the first 45 minutes and there were some very stern words from Gibbo at half time and I think the lads obviously showed the second half, the true Connah's Quay. We sort of dominated the game, certainly dominated the second half. Even when we were down to 10 men, it felt like we were playing 11 against 10. Chances created, missed opportunities, on another day I think we comfortably win the game and it's one of them, we'll reflect on it, we'll have a look at it. We are disappointed that we haven't took the 3 points, but at the end of the day it's a point from being, probably everything against us. The keeper's had a fantastic game, everything that seemed to be thrown at him he saved. We missed some gilt-edged chances, don't get me wrong, so we've got to look at ourselves in that. But we're disappointed, but we'll dust ourselves down and we'll go again next week.
Callum, how are the emotions?
A bit all over the place at the moment. obviously look back with fond memories of my time at Quay, obviously, but a bit bittersweet, obviously, with the result tonight. I wanted to go out with a win, but obviously it wasn't meant to be.
And with the 10 men, you were the better team?
Yeah, we come on strong there, second half. You know, I thought the ball just wouldn't go in. We managed to get one back, but the second one just eluded us tonight, so it wasn't meant to be. But yeah, I'm sure it won't take the shine off what I've done for the club as well.
And a word on Callum Morris, emotional night. What a servant he's been for this club.
Unbelievable. I mean, obviously I've only been at the club at the staff for 18 months now. He's been a fantastic servant. You know, he's won everything with the football club, and you know, we're obviously disappointed as well for him tonight that we haven't given him a good send off in terms of 3 points. But yeah, you know, we couldn't have asked for more. He's a great player. He's a great person. You know, most of all, and we wish him the best of luck in his next venture.